Asim iyo yega bunowa. Akaramu jibiowa. Atamona jamadu. Chukusini gabweze. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I want to officially introduce to us, those of you who are watching me live now from every part of the world, that today is the official opening of Akwamaka Studio, located in Lagos. We are presently in Lagos State, and it is owned by our own brother. He's coming here, like High Chief Stanley Chukudi Obodago Ezudo Bulu of here. Easy. So many other people would want to make their money and then, enjoy it alone with their family. But he said, no, I have so many people, so many talents. Look at so many of us, our young brothers here. They have set up this place to help our talent, to help us grow. And so because you have set up this place to help the young talents, your reason of opening here will never be in vain. Like I said before, if you are employed or if you have been signed to work under this record label, all you need to do to yourself is to do what? Be creative. That time when you go use the gossip around, they smoke around, they do so many things. Sit down and then think of something new. Because there are so many talents. As far as I am concerned, talent are now. So you can also create your own and then make an impact. It's not all about dressing, and all those things. Those ones doesn't count for now. But when they go to that main thing, somebody said, I want you to show me the way. Go see the man and you're gonna ask him with them, may I just to become a star. You say, okay, where is your star? What can you do? Oh yeah, he can't even speak, come. Let alone no markets and arts of him. But you want to be a star. Chukusini gabweze. Asim chukusini gamongwa. You're an artist. Chukusini gabosta. When you see I'm star, come gabo. Touch yourself and say, star, come gabo. Iyechi de lo de oya, iyo kuro gebe. Iyechi kuro kuya. still remain your brother, Longinus Amokute, aka Chief Imo Worldwide. He gets me a worldwide, damn you. So I get a worldwide, here in the weekend off. You know what? Yes. So when I'm going to go, damn you. Come and send them me. Alright, I got quality one of the artists. Okay, come and do that, my doll. Please listen to my sister here. She have a wonderful wonderful let's hear it.
Okay. Love the fact we all gathered here. You know, when the CEO was the introduction of the teenager, you know, most of you guys don't really understand it. She's really talented. In an industry where a lot of adults are trying to thrive, a teenager is here. Okay, she's gonna blow your mind away. Now, calling for this young teenager to come take the floor, praise Ayo. A round of applause for her.